Good afternoon, welcome back to Expatcrib. My name is Ian, and today, you're not seeing double. I did an apartment the other day, a duplex apartment. It has approximately 230 square meters. That one had 2 bedrooms. This one is identical in the floor plan, but this one has 3 bedrooms. One could be used as an office. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. So, looks like we're surrounded here by a jungle. He had an amazing landscape architect here. Again, this one here has really nice city skyline views of Medellin. Just up this way, a 5-minute car ride, is Mall Tesoro. So super close to the Tesoro neighborhood. But this neighborhood here is actually, the sub-neighborhood is called Pinar del Rio, but it's actually Las Bolsas 2, this neighborhood. Again, just up from Provenza and Parque Lleras, but away from all the noise. As you can hear, it's very quiet here. You're surrounded by jungle. Everything in the apartment, all the furniture comes with the apartment, but if you would like, you could do your own design also, or your own furniture. But here he's put in, again, like the other one, this one has a white countertop. The other day, that one had a black countertop, but it's got the black kitchen. And in the other one, right there, I guess is the hideaway dishwasher. And then right here, he's put in a European style fridge. Okay, again, Frankie brand, like in the other apartment, but everything is hidden away here. Really, really nice. And then right down here, you've got the dishwasher and beautiful sink top. Okay. And then a built-in oven. So as I said, these are twin apartments. The one that I showed the other day is the exact twin to this one, but he's put in 3 bedrooms in this one as he renovated it. Really nice living room. But again, the feature of this one and the one that I did a video of the other day is the big deck. Very hard to find here. All right, so let's take a look upstairs. Take a look at the layout of this one. So as I said, in this one here, he has 1 bedroom there, the office there, and then the junior master right over here. Let's take a look at the master here. Really nice space, lots of cupboard space. Okay. As always, I will put all the specifications and the price and the square meters in the description of this video. Okay, and here's the views. Got green views from the master bedroom here, but he's put in a really big washroom in this one here. And in this one, I believe in both of the master bedrooms, he's got a junior master. It also has a bathtub. Plenty of space here. And also here, he's put in a rain shower built into the ceiling here, as you can see. But this shower is massive. A lot of space. bathtub. And over there, straight ahead, plenty of storage space. All right, let's take a look at the junior master bedroom. And again, in this one here, just like the other one that I showed the other day, he's put in skylights, so lots of light in this apartment. So this would be considered the junior master bedroom. A really nice size also. And again, plenty of closet space there. And I love the views from this one here. Really nice green city views. Very similar to the other one. And again, a really nice washroom here with a rain shower. He's put in really nice toilets too. And as you can see, right here, he's put in a second bathtub. It's very rare to find bathtubs in Medellin now. Most people just put in showers, but in some of the older apartments you see bathtubs, but he's put in 2 here. All right, we'll take one last look here at the junior master and make our way to the office, which also could be used as a 3rd bedroom, but he has it set up as an office. As you can see, really nice office space, but again, this is a really good size for a 3rd bedroom. They don't make them like this anymore. All the new builds are these really smaller bedrooms. So he's put in bookshelves there. So this could also be converted to closet space if this indeed is used as a bedroom. And just off here, again, 3rd washroom upstairs, complete with another rain shower. And a beautiful little sink. Very nice space. So if there's just 2 of you, you've got a great guest bedroom in the 2nd junior master, and you've got your office space right here. And a lot of people who come here request office space. And you've got the high vaulted ceilings here too, which is really nice. All right, let's walk back down and take one last look at that beautiful deck. One thing we didn't see in this unit is the laundry room, which could also be a pantry. In the other one I did the other day, he had a door that looked like a cupboard or closet space where you could go right into the back. But this one here is a full room, okay? And he's put in, same in this one here, whirlpool washer. Washer and dryer. And then you've got your wash sink right here. And right here, plenty of space to hang your laundry if you would like. But this could also double as a pantry right here too. Or you could use this space back here as a pantry. And then here, he's got, see here, all the cleaning supplies. But this could be a pantry also back here. So we'll get a really good look at the living room here. And if you wanted where the TV is, there used to be a window there. So that could be opened up if you want more light inside. But he's put a box in there and he's put the TV there. So that could be opened up also. But he's done a masterful job. He was a developer in Germany. He's from Germany originally. But again, you're getting really good German quality here. He replaced all the infrastructure and the piping, the water lines, everything here and in the other apartment that I showed the other day, the sister apartment to this one. So let's take one last look at the patio. It's a beautiful, beautiful garden deck here, as you can see. Again, as I said, I reiterate that one of the #1 requests for people when they come here is they want, because it's such an outdoor city, they want a space like this or a good patio view. Those are the #1 requested things that we get from the people coming to live here. And again, this size of patio, this building was built, I believe, in the late 70s or early 80s. You can't find them anymore. Very, very difficult. So as always, I will put all the specifications at the end screen, the price, the square meters, everything. Hope you've enjoyed this second duplex apartment tour, back to back. This is Ian from Expatcrib, and we'll see you in the next video.